Someone hit me, went into a coma, and what's going on, vlog?
We're on the vlog.
I'm highly irritated. I usually eat 6 times a day. I haven't ate once, and it's 5 times. And it's 5. It's almost 5. And I mean, it's past 5. It's almost 6.
So I'm gonna eat
Her.
this on the floor because I don't wanna. Hi.
Yeah. We got a vlog. It's the vlog. You'll see this Friday. Okay, vlog. So I have some Chick-fil-A right here.
I believe you for a minute.
Look, boy. How is your stuff that far?
What, my camera?
She got magic powers, but little did she know she can just do like this.
No. You can't do that.
Wait. Jesus is good. So, man, that lady was right, man. You can't do that. What I'm gonna do? What you gonna do? Well, I guess I'm not gonna vlog, but just know we're eating. Just know we're eating.
You want to film a mukbang? Bye. No, I stay.
Excuse me. But what's going on, vlog? Just got home from my friend's house. You seen the last clip. I don't know what I was about to say, but I'm kind of tired, but I'm still got to grind. I got to get this ACT studying done, and I also got to make this workout video for you guys. You'll probably see the workout video tomorrow, which is actually 4 days before you seen this. Actually, maybe 7. I don't know. You'll see. But I'm still going to make it for you guys, so make sure you like, comment, share, and stay tuned for more action. What's going on, y'all? Finished the mock exam of reading. As you can see, right, that's math. This is reading right here. You probably can't see it that well, but I improved 2 points. So if I keep at it, keep improving 2 points, by the time of the test, I'll get around 27. That's what I need. That's what I need. Stay tuned for some good quality tikapuka. I'm at the gym. Finna do some handstand push-ups on the wall. So, as you see, pretty easy. I'm just Got the food. Everyone think my dad is my brother, but he's not.
I do. Then know what that's what it's called. You know what? Living right, not smoking, not drinking, stress free. I don't know about stress free, but sometimes you get stressed, but you try as much as you can.
Yeah. Yeah. What's going on, y'all? At the hospital. As y'all can see. Hey, my mom. What's going on, y'all? I'm doing Postmates, right? And like, I'm talking to Siri. I'm like, hey Siri, I love you and all, but she like, go turn left. I'm like, Siri, you know I love you. Just say you love me back. She didn't want to say it. And then so I decided to turn on Pandora so she gonna get mad. I'm like, Siri, stop talking while my Pandora playing. So I'm at Denny's right now, right? I mean, I love her and all because she helped me get to my destination, but I'm like, I'm trying to hear something. Every time something important happens, then Siri just want to, oh, turn left. Your destination's on the right. Like, shut up. Stop talking while my stuff playing, bro. Dang, it made me mad, bro. I love her and all, but Siri, dang, man, you tripping. But yeah, man, I'm doing Postmates, man. Yeah, bro. So I'm finna go pick up these Denny's for these people. I'm finna make some money, you know what I'm saying? See y'all later. Hey, almost got in a car accident. I'm over here in Buffalo Wild Wings doing the order. But, like, a couple minutes before this, I was driving out of nowhere. I just seen the car just come in like this. I was like, bro, what the heck? I pushed the brakes so fast, boy. And then there's cars coming fast behind me. So as soon as I stopped, they went. And then as they stopped for some reason, I'm like, keep going. You see me stop and go so I don't hit you. And so, yeah. And then, that happened. And then I got a good thing I stopped. It's like this close. I almost hit them. It was so close, boy. But, yeah, that was crazy, bro. But the dude he was following me, and then he came and apologized. He's like, my fault, bro. I thought you was turning. I was like, you good, bro. You know what I'm saying? But if I had to crash into you, it'd been your fault. You would have been paying me. So, yeah, bro, it's crazy, man. Almost got my first car accident, but God is on my side all times. You know what I'm saying? But, bye. What's going on, y'all? Focus. What's going on, y'all? Y'all know what's going on, man. I'm finna study a little bit, man. I ain't gonna make an excuse why I didn't post my vlog yesterday. Or today, actually, but yesterday, because you're gonna be seeing the vlog Saturday, if you're watching on time, at least. But anyways, you don't care as long as you're watching it. But I got in a car accident. Someone hit me from behind. Pause. No homo, alright? Don't clip this. But yeah, someone hit me. Went into a coma and, I'm just glad I didn't go into a coma. But yeah, they hit me, so I had to get stuff done that day. Had to rest my neck, my shoulder, but you see my neck is all strong from wrestling, so I ain't really getting no whiplash and nothing. I actually recovered in one day because God is on my side at all times. You did? But that's the end of the vlog. Make sure you like, comment, share, and give me a kiss. No homo, bye.